everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video on how to download ESPN Plus application on your Android device. If you'd like to gain access to your ESPN Plus account right from your Android devices, then you'll need to download the app first. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You can easily download the ESPN Plus application on your iOS device as well as your Android device. In today's video, we're going to use our Android. Open up the Google Play Store to begin. Once you are done, head over to the top of the screen and tap on the search bar. Type in ESPN in the search bar and make your search. Wait for the ESPN app to appear on the display. Once it does, simply tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Wait for the ESPN app to download, and after it does, tap on the open button to run the app. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. To get full access of the app on your Android device, you'll need to be signed up for ESPN Plus account. If you already have an account, tap on the login button and go ahead and enter your credentials and log into your account. That is how you'll be able to download ESPN Plus application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.